Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Tara Teaspoon Cookbook is probably one of the most anticipated culinary releases of the year, promising a delightful journey into the heart of delicious and accessible home cooking. This cookbook isn't just a collection of recipes, it's an invitation to explore vibrant flavors, master new techniques, and create memorable meals that will impress your family and friends, all with the signature style and warmth that Tara Teaspoon is known for. Get ready to elevate your kitchen game and discover your next favorite dish within its beautifully curated pages. Number 5. Soligt Rustic Wood Cookbook Stand. Tired of neck pain from bending over your recipes? This stand lets you adjust the angle for a comfortable view, making cooking more enjoyable. Keep your hands free while following recipes from cookbooks, magazines, or your tablet. Its sturdy kickstand supports even thick books, perfect for any kitchen. Add a cozy appeal to your decor when not in use. Simply fold the kickstand and hang it up. It's a stylish home accent that saves space. Struggling with heavy cookbooks? The strong metal page holders keep your book open to the right page, without blocking your view or making it hard to use your tablet. Designed to hold even the largest recipe books, this stand keeps pages open so you can easily scan ingredients and steps without mess. What we like? This stand offers an adjustable kickstand for comfortable viewing, eliminating neck strain. It also provides hands-free convenience with strong page holders. If you often cook using a tablet or cookbook and need a stable, ergonomic solution, this is a great choice. What people say? It holds the book perfectly and is very sturdy. Looks very cute in the kitchen. Opens and is ready to use, no building, which I love. Looks nice and it's functional. A great help in the kitchen, and it adds some visual interest to the countertop. This cookbook stand was a Christmas present from my husband and I love it. It is sturdy enough to handle cookbooks of any size. I have minimal counter space and the stand has been so helpful, so I don't have to leave a cookbook sprawled open taking up space while I'm baking or cooking. I can even prop my phone in it if I am pulling a recipe off of my phone. It's beautiful, I leave it up all the time. The back stand does lay flat if you need to put it away between recipes. Wonderful and helpful gift or addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Beautiful Boards, 50 Amazing Snack Boards. Discover the art of effortless entertaining with our collection of stunning snack boards. Elevate any gathering with creative and delicious arrangements. From casual get-togethers to elegant celebrations, find the perfect board inspiration for any occasion. Make every moment memorable with a beautifully crafted spread. Explore 50 unique and visually appealing snack board ideas designed to impress. Each one is a masterpiece waiting to be created. We make it easy to create show-stopping snack boards, even if you're a beginner. Impress your guests with minimal effort and maximum flavor. This is your ultimate resource for creating unforgettable food experiences. Get ready to host with confidence and style. Dive into a world of flavor and creativity with our diverse selection of snack board designs. Your taste buds will thank you. What we like? This book is packed with 50 creative ideas for snack boards, perfect for any event. If you love entertaining and want to impress your guests with visually stunning and delicious platters, this is the perfect guide for you. What people say? So picturesque and looks great sitting out on a coffee table. The book itself offers great ideas, and this truly does make for a great gift. Easy to follow. Many recipes for all occasions and palates. Number 3. Bab's Holiday Recipes and Family Traditions. Get ready to celebrate the holidays with Babs. Discover delicious recipes and heartwarming family traditions that will make your season extra special. Explore a collection of festive flavors designed to delight your taste buds. These recipes are perfect for any holiday gathering. Go beyond the food and embrace the joy of cherished family traditions. Create lasting memories with loved ones this holiday season. Our easy-to-follow recipes ensure that anyone can create a memorable holiday feast. Spend less time stressing and more time celebrating. Let Babs help you make your holidays unforgettable. From appetizers to desserts, we have everything you need for a perfect celebration. What we like? This cookbook focuses on holiday recipes and cherished family traditions, bringing warmth to your celebrations. If you're looking to create memorable holiday meals and embrace festive cooking, this book will guide you through it. What people say? Recipes are excellent, and Bab's sweet, bubbly personality is what makes this book a real winner. Nearly all recipes are from scratch, but very easy. The pages are filled with make-ahead tips, and the hints throughout the book are the detail-oriented lessons you'd learn from hosting many years' worth of parties and events of any size. The recipes are easy to follow with ordinary ingredients. If you are a young cook, you will find this a wonderful compilation of tried and true traditional recipes. Number 2. Delish Air Fryer Cookbook. Get ready to host the ultimate party with over 75 delicious air fryer recipes. From appetizers to main courses, we've got you covered. This best-selling cookbook is designed for ease of use, lying flat so you can effortlessly create crispy, crunchy food every time. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods guilt-free. Discover recipes for everything from classic onion rings and mozzarella sticks to healthy roasted vegetables and tender chicken. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with expert tips and clever hacks. We'll show you how to make your favorite dishes even better. This 160-page guide, featuring photos for every recipe, is your essential companion for air fryer cooking. It's packed with everything you need to impress. What we like. This guide features over 75 air fryer recipes, complete with photos for every dish and a lay-flat design for easy use. If you're an air fryer enthusiast looking for a wide variety of crispy, delicious meals and a user-friendly cookbook, this is an excellent pick. What people say. I also like that it is spiral-bound. The spiral-bound spine is super for keeping the book open when you're cooking. High-quality paper and photographs. Every recipe is one that includes pantry items. I realized I could have this one for dinner or that one, on and on without having to make another trip to the grocery for an item I may never use again. Every new air fryer user or experienced user would benefit from this well-written book. Also, every single recipe has a full-page color photo so you know what your creation will look like. Number 1. Enjoy the wood personalized recipe bookbinder. Discover the beauty of natural birch plywood with this blank recipe book. Its rustic aesthetic makes it a timeless addition to any kitchen. Personalize this book to create a cherished family cookbook journal. It's designed to be a treasured heirloom, passed down through generations. Crafted for durability, this recipe binder will keep your precious family recipes safe and organized for years to come. This DIY cookbook is the perfect place to compile all your favorite recipes. Create a truly personalized cookbook that reflects your culinary journey. With ample blank pages, this cookbook invites your culinary creativity. It's an ideal gift for anyone who loves to write down their own unique recipes. More than just a book, it's a unique holder for your culinary masterpieces. Perfect for gifting or starting your own recipe collection. What we like. This customizable binder allows you to create a personalized family cookbook, making it a potential heirloom. If you want to document your own recipes in a beautiful, durable, and rustic-style journal, this is the perfect way to preserve your culinary legacy. What people say. The book is gorgeous. It is a little more delicate, so it will have to be handled carefully, especially when closing from the back. That will have to be mindfully done because of the binding being all wooden. The dividers were great and the recipe page is very nice too. Absolutely perfect. Got for my daughter who wants family recipes for the future. The seller was great with communication and the product itself is everlasting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.